Tidak banyak diaspora Indonesia di Amerika Serikat yang memegang jabatan publik, salah satunya adalah Marisa Huta Barat yang baru saja menduduki jabatan hakim di Pengadilan Perdata atau First City Court Kota New Orleans di Louisiana. Ia meraih jabatan itu melalui pemilu lokal yang digelar tanggal 15 Agustus 2020. Meski lahir dan besar di Amerika, ia mengaku nilai-nilai budaya Indonesia yang menekankan pentingnya peran keluarga tertanam sejak ia masih kecil.
Halo Indonesia, apa kabar?
Dialah Marisa Huta Barat, hakim baru di Pengadilan Perdata Kota New Orleans, Louisiana.
This is a dream come true. This is exactly what I've been wanting to do since I entered law school, honestly. My mission was really to serve people. I was a psychology major in undergrad. I went to law school, and my desire has always been to serve the community to the best of my ability.
My name is Marisa Huta Barat, candidate for First City Court.
Marisa terpilih sebagai hakim dalam pemilu lokal tanggal 15 Agustus 2020. Selama kampanye, ia merebut hati warga New Orleans dengan slogan Hakim Rakyat. Ia juga merebut perhatian diaspora Indonesia dan juga media di Indonesia karena nama belakangnya.
How amazing it was to receive such an outpouring of love, of congratulations, of warm wishes. That just makes me even more proud of being Indonesian. All these Indonesians who don't know me, who's never heard of me before, have been reaching out, and through Facebook, through Instagram, through Twitter, even though I'm not on Twitter.
Darah Indonesia mengalir dari ayahnya, sedangkan ibunya keturunan Tionghoa asal Thailand. Marisa lahir dan besar di Amerika dan belum pernah ke Indonesia. Namun, bukan berarti ia tercerabut dari nilai-nilai budaya Indonesia.
I am so proud to be Indonesian. I'm proud of my heritage. My grandmother is also from Indonesia. My father is obviously Indonesian, and he did grow up in Singapore, but what has been also instilled in me based on my understanding of the Indonesian culture has been very family-oriented. My opong did teach me a little bit. I know a few words here and there. I think primarily it is the Batak language. I'm a bit embarrassed that I have not learned Indonesian, but I do plan on making sure that does happen. At least learn enough.
Keberhasilan Marisa menjadi hakim ini merupakan kebanggaan diaspora Indonesia di Amerika.
Kita memerlukan Marisa semacam Marisa yang banyak dari diaspora Indonesia. Semakin banyak semakin bagus. Saya menyambut sangat gembira sekali dia berhasil menjadi first judge ya di New Orleans. Jadi dengan begitu kita mulai berperan aktif di dalam negara ini.
Apa resep keberhasilan Marisa?
You should follow your dreams and work hard towards it. Realize that, family is very important and they can be your support group. And if your family may not be your support group, you have people who can provide you mentorship, and ultimately be motivated, follow your dreams, do exactly what it is that you desire to do and work hard at it, and it always pays off.
Dari New Orleans, Supriyono dan Alam Burhanan, VOA.
Horas!